Everybody, my name is Paige Martin and I am a speech language pathologist here in Missouri. I wanted to tell you about the amazing app Speech Blubs. I downloaded this app a few months ago to work with one of my preschool age clients who is nonverbal at this time, and we're working with a student on increasing vocalizations and using those early sounds to hopefully get her talking. I absolutely love Speech Blubs because it provides so many opportunities and fun ways to work on these skills. For example, my student loves watching the videos of the other children that are making these early sounds, and she's really motivated by watching videos of herself so that she can have that visual feedback for herself making those sounds as well. And also the little animals that pop up on the heads, that's a little plus too. That's just makes her smile and laugh. I'm really appreciative of Speech Blubs because they allowed this app to be downloaded for free to speech language pathologists, and a lot of times most of my resources have to come out of my own pocket. So it really adds up, and I just really appreciate being able to download this awesome resource to work with my students. I really can't wait to see how much my students improve just by using this app. Thank you so much, Speech Blubs. I love it.